Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Sagar Healthcare Limited. So the stock is basically a good stock with good fundamentals, and now currently the stock is in a monthly uptrend. So in long term view the stock is in a uptrend, but in a short term it's in a small consolidation range, but now it's ready to go long and it will give a good sum of return on investment. So this is the monthly chart. In monthly chart the stock looks very bullish and the volume is also increasing for even a month to month basis, so it's good to go long in this stock. Now let me move to the weekly chart to analyze the chart in further. This is the weekly chart of Sagar Healthcare Limited. Let me draw the major zone areas to understand the stock's nature. So the stock in a consolidation since listing, and after a breakout it gave a fantastic return. Look at the candles here. The breakout was huge and the candle was without sellers, and the volume is almost twice the average volume, so it's good to take such breakout trades. And look at the retracement. The retracement was very fine, that it avoided breaking of 21-day moving average, so it's very good to trade such stocks. And let me draw another zone area which will explain the same nature of the stock. So look at here. After the breakout here it took a retracement and made a fantastic move of 25%, about 25%, and made a consolidation move here, and once again it gave a breakout, and once again it gave a fantastic move, and it came back to the same level for a big retracement, and now it started moving higher. Now I have found a swing trade opportunity in this stock. Let's analyze the swing trade in this video. Before moving to the daily chart, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that we will be encouraged to do such videos on regular basis, and you will get the notifications of the video by pressing the bell button. And join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. And if you have any queries, feel free to comment below. So let's move to the daily chart now. In the daily chart, currently the stock closed above the 21-day moving average, so it's a good sign to go long in the stock. And look at the zone area here. I'm drawing the major zone area. The stock once again came to the zone here. Look at the rejection at the zone area. This zone can be considered as the major support zone for the stock. So the stock is very bullish and currently traded above the 21-day moving average. So going long in this stock at current market price is also good, but one should trade with safety. So one can trade above the price range of 150. 150 can be taken as the entry for the stock. Now let me use the Fib extension tool to analyze the targets of the stock. So these are the swing high and swing lows of this stock in daily basis. So one can take entry above the price range of 150. 155 can be taken as the safer entry, and one can expect the target of 187, which is almost a 20% upside move, which will be attained within few days. So it's good to take trade in the stock, and the stock is quite bullish, so one can take long positions for long term also. But before going long term, make sure you analyze the chart perfectly so that you will get the knowledge of what you are investing. So that's all for today. Thanks for listening to us, and join us on Telegram to grow together. Thank you.